Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to hide dimensions. So for example, I will create for the walls, okay, you can click these icons, wall tools, and I will create a simple object like this. And to show the dimension, I will use the auto dimension tools to be show the dimension. Now if you want to hide this dimension, you can go to the active layer display, scroll down, and then you can see on the dimension plan, you can uncheck to hide the dimension. Okay, to show again, you can click this display box, or you can click at these columns to show for the dimension plan. Okay, that's it for a basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to hide dimensions. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.